If you want to sell subscriptions on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, know that Shopify supports subscriptions through apps. So go to the Shopify App Store. So in order for us to go there, we're just going to hit on settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. And then from the settings, you're going to look over to the left side panel and then hit on apps and sales channels. Now from there, we are going to click on Shopify App Store and it will open the App Store of Shopify. Now from here, we can download apps. So we're just going to search for subscriptions from the search bar. And then once we hit on subscriptions, you will see here a lot of results. You have a lot of apps to choose from, like Renew Subscriptions app, Subi Subscriptions app, and all that. So we're just going to look for something that is reliable, and just going to click on this Seal Subscriptions app since this one has the most used and reviews. So we're going to click on that, and then from here we're just going to hit on install. So from here it's going to ask us the terms and conditions. We're just going to click on I have read, and then we're going to proceed to the app. Now from here you can see all of their plans, like they have the free, super sale, and all that. And you can also get free trial for the legend one, but for this one we're just going to select the free one. And then from here we are going to create a subscription rule. So for example, we want something when you create a subscription rule, you can define the subscription options that will be available to your customers. So meaning this is the one that what you actually sell, what is going to be made available for them. So we're just going to click on that. And then from here, we are going to just create rule. And then from there, we can choose if we want it to be an auto charging subscription rule, which means they would have to, they're going to have to connect their payment method before they can access the subscription. Or you can also do recurring invoices, which is the classic subscription rule, which doesn't auto charge customers. So we're going to click on recurring for this one, but it is up to your personal choice. And then for this one, we're going to name this rule. We can also choose a subscription type. You can have one-time purchase or subscription only. We're going to click on subscription only since we want this to be a subscription. And then we want to select a product type, so we can apply to all products or add specific products. And then you're going to now choose the products that will be available for subscriptions. So for this one, you have to create, so you have to have your product set up already. So for this one, for example, we want to make this t-shirt a subscription, but you can also add other products like maybe counseling or like tutoring courses like that. And then we're just going to hit on add. It really depends on you, so you're going to have to create a product page for that. Now after that, you will see the product added here, and then we can add the subscription intervals, like the interval unit, interval option. You can have another one as well. And when they would send out their emails, you can set this up however you want to, like you have here the time options, but I'm going to keep it like that. And then you can also offer a subscription discount, and then you can turn that on however you want to, and then you can add your discount percent and discount description. Now after that, we're just going to click on save rule. So we're just going to check if it has already been added, and that's it. If you can see it, then that means it worked. And that's how you're going to sell subscription on Shopify. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.